Welcome back. We're joined now by Krista Farthing from Purdue Extension to talk about everyone's favorite thing, free money.
Yes, absolutely. It's time for 4-H scholarship applications, and we actually are having a workshop tonight to help 4-Hers fill these out.
Perfect. And tell me a little bit about the scholarship. Who's eligible and who can be part of this?
The first round of scholarships are the state scholarships, so those are eligible for 4-Hers in 10th grade and up. And there's many different categories they can apply in, and tonight we're just going to help them with their resumes and cover letters and show them what the application should look like.
And while the application then and the actual scholarships are for high schoolers, anyone can come tonight
Absolutely.
to the program.
Yeah, it's a great chance just to learn about the application process if you've never done it before.
And how difficult is this application process? Give some people an idea of what they're kind of getting into.
It's not too hard. It's basically just talking about your 4-H career and what you've learned through 4-H, which we do keep very good records in 4-H, so hopefully it's just pulling those out and putting them in a standard format.
Going through what 4-H has taught you
Yes.
and the program itself. The basics of tonight's program, when, where?
It's at the Purdue Extension office at 6:30.
At 6:30 tonight, and that's for anyone, of course, is invited.
And 10th through 12th grade are going to be able to apply this year.
And they'll be able to start applying tonight?
Yes, absolutely.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Be sure to check that out tonight. All of the information available on your screen. Stay with us. News 10 will be right back.